If you're tired of your computer automatically opening Word, PowerPoint, or Excel files in Microsoft Office or some other app, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to set OpenOffice as the default application for all your document, presentation, and spreadsheet files. So every time you double click, they open exactly where you want them to. Let's get started. First, make sure OpenOffice is already installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, simply go to the official OpenOffice website, download the latest version, and complete the installation. Once that's done, you're ready to set it as your default app. Now, press the Windows key on your keyboard or click on the Start button. In the search bar, type Default Apps and open the result that appears. This is where Windows lets you decide which programs open different types of files. Scroll down a little and click on Set Defaults by App. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your computer. We'll use this section to tell Windows that we want OpenOffice to handle Word, PowerPoint, and spreadsheet files from now on. But instead of looking for OpenOffice first, find Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel in the list. These are the apps currently associated with your files. Click on one of them, then select Manage. You'll now see all the file types linked to that program. For example, .docx, .pptx, or .xlsx. Next to each file type, click the current default app name, and from the list that pops up, choose OpenOffice. Repeat the same process for the other file types. For Word documents, like .doc or .docx. For PowerPoint presentations, like .ppt or .pptx. And for spreadsheets, like .xls or .xlsx. Once you've done that, every time you double-click a Word, PowerPoint, or Excel file, it will automatically open in OpenOffice. No extra steps, no confusion. And if you ever want to switch back or try another app, you can simply repeat these steps and choose a different default. That's it. You've successfully set OpenOffice as the default app for all your document, presentation, and spreadsheet files. It's a simple change that keeps your workflow fast, consistent, and completely free from unwanted software interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you'd like to see more OpenOffice tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.